Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's going to be a sweet little plant video starting off with my painted lady or the wandering Jew or the trade scantia. This is one of the cutest and the prettiest you are going to see in wandering Jew. Beautiful. Now that's my snake plant. My younger cousin had given me a sick plant. Yes, it was already rotting, and then she had given to me, and somehow I saved it and had planted it in this particular pot, and from there this is how it is looking right now. I have already removed 2-3 heads from here and have gifted it to my cousins as well as my friends. And here are my sedums peeping over the fence. I don't know what things I imagine. You all must be thinking that I'm crazy, but look at my cute sedums. Now this is the Hawathea, which is it's full. The pot is full of Hawatheas. Now if any other plant emerges, it has to squeeze itself through this senior ones. Yes, now that's my pink syngonium. Actually, when the leaves are young and tender, they are pink, and gradually they change color to green. That's the transformation. That's the young plant which is pink in color. Now this is one syngonium which was in my bucket list for quite some time, and this is the strawberry ice. What a beautiful name. And this too, when it is young, it is pink. The leaves are pink, peachy, and as it matures it turns green. What a beautiful plant. Now that's the Hoya, the only Hoya which is there in my collection right now. No activity. I think it is in the resting phase, and I'm just waiting. Someday it might bloom. I believe Hoyas take a very long time to bloom, but I'm waiting. Yes. Now this is my Echeveria raindrops. I think you all can see the tiny bumps there. So this is the raindrop that has survived the monsoons of last year, and yes, it is doing well now. The plant has become a little bigger in size. Now this is the ice plant. The actual name I do not know. Actually it's not that I don't know. I know it starts with M, but the name is very tough, so I better call it ice plant as it is locally called. And it was a long plant which was draining, so I just chopped it off and I've planted it here, and right now it's doing good. I'm happy with it. This is also my Echeveria Peavian Pearl Bun Neon Bug, which I could get this time because the earlier ones has rotted during the monsoons, and this is again the one which I bought this Sunday, and I am very happy with it. Hope so it survives. And you know guys, I'm waiting for the flower show that is to be held in the month of February. I'm just counting the days. This is my geranium. It's a double one, a beautiful one. Actually double or single, I love them all. And this is how it looks when most of the buds have bloomed, and I have given it a decent support because I was telling you the plant was too tall and lanky, but I am a little bit worried about this side. Now look at the leaves. The lower leaf looks a bit more droopy than it should be. I don't know. I think because this stem is already rotted. I think because of that, the stem beside it is also being affected. I might remove it because I fear it is going to affect the main big plant also. Now this is the geranium, the recent one which I have already shown you all. And as the flower matures, the color changes. This is how it looks. It's a bushy plant, a very healthy plant, and I just keep my fingers crossed. Hope so it remains healthy throughout. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.